Hello, Mr. Matek here. In this video, we're going to create a dramatic black and white background for your subject. Click on New Project. Select your footage and click on Add. Now make sure the footage is selected and scroll over to Filters. Scroll over till you see Mono and select Mono. Scroll to Black and White 2. You can use whichever black and white, but we're going with Black and White 2. Now, make sure the footage is not selected and click on Overlay and add the same footage to your timeline as an overlay. Now expand the overlay to fit the frame. Make sure the overlay remains selected. Next, scroll to Cutout and select Cutout. Click on Remove Background. Now wait for it to process and export your video. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.